Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix escape game crashing at a startup, not launching, won't launch, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PS5. So here are the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts. Scroll down and go to other and go to restore license, select escape game and then select restore, select yes to confirm, and after this launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 3 is to log out and log in. Log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out, wait for few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and check if that works or not. Fourth solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Sixth solution is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings, navigate to system, go to language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Seventh solution is to rebuild database on PS5. Power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch escape and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 8. Delete game data and cache. Please take a note. Make sure to back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, then delete. Choose escape game, then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Ninth solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, setup internet connection. Select your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option from the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS settings, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS type 8.8.4.4. Now for the proxy server, choose do not use. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS type 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS type 1.0.0.1 and then select OK and then launch the game and check. Solution 10. Reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the escape game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these solutions you were able to fix escape game crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, or black screen problem on PS5. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.